The ancestral name of the Ikwerre people is Iwuroha in Ikwerre dialect. The name of the grand ancestor is Akalaka, and their relations in Rivers State are the Epeye and Oba people. The paramount rulers in Ikwerre land are united in what is known as Obako Ikwerre, which was formed in 1963 as an umbrella socio-cultural organization of the Ikwerre ethnic nationality. The identity of the Ikwerre people is disputed by several history scholars who insist that they are Igbos. However, both the Ikwerre people of Rivers State and their neighbors agree that they are a distinct independent group with linguistic and cultural similarity with the Igbos due to proximity, trade and marriage. The Ikwerre people were recognized in 1979 as a separate group in the Nigerian constitution. After Nigeria and Biafra civil war, Eric Amadi in his article, titled, History of Ikwerre People in Nigeria, noted that some of the Ikwerre settlements have their roots from the Benin Kingdom, which is disputed by many Ikwerre people who trace their roots from Aro Confederacy and other parts of Igbo hinterland. As expected of preliterate African societies, the history of the people is wrapped in might and mystery. This presupposes that historians may have to resort to oral tradition for the justifiable and credible construction of the people's history. The works of popular Ikwerre novelist and playwright Professor Ilesha Amadi, especially The Concubine, The Great Pawns, The Slave, novels, and Isibiro, a verse play, literary, gives a clear history of the Ikwerre people and their Igbo cultures and traditions. According to Prof. Ilesha Amadi in his article titled, History of Ikwerre People in Nigeria, he noted that some of the Ikwerre settlements have their roots from the old Benin Empire. The Ikwerre, natively known as Iwuroha, are an indigenous Igbo tribe in Rivers State, Nigeria. The Ikwerre groups in Rivers State spans over 4 local government areas: Port Harcourt, Obio-Apo, Ikwerre, and Emoha. Pockets of the Ikwerre are found in nearby Ohaji Egbema LGA of Imo State. Traditional history has classified Ikwerre into 7 groups called Ikwerre Esa. They are Ilele, Isiopo, Rumuji, Emoha, Choba, Alo, Iguruta, and Obo group. This division was first documented by Ford and Jones, 1950, in their ethnographic study of the native languages and peoples of southeastern Nigeria. It was also in line with this grouping. Those 7 customary courts were established in Ikwerre during the colonial administration. These courts were located at Ilele, Isiopo, Rumuji, Emoha, Choba, Alo, and Obo in Ikwerre land. The Ikwerre exist in well-delineated clans, with each clan having its own paramount king. The Ikwerre do not have an overall paramount ruler or king, but designated kings, rulers or leaders mostly approved by their constituents. However, all paramount rulers in Ikwerre are united in what is known as Obako Ikwerre, which was formed in 1963 as an umbrella socio-cultural organization of the Ikwerre people. Geography and cultural grouping. The Ikwerre inhabit the upland part of Rivers State, and are predominantly settled in the Ikwerre, Obio-Apo, Port Harcourt and Emoha local government areas of Rivers State. When Port Harcourt was conquered by Nigeria, during the Biafran War, and the Igbo people from other parts of Igboland fled the territory, a UN report says that the Ikwerre decided to claim that the Ikwerre were non-Igbo for convenience. The Ikwerre are recognized officially as a separate group in the 1979 Nigerian constitution. It was about that time that names of places and those of some individuals began to change to reflect a new era in the Ikwerre history. Examples are, Umu changed to Rumu, Munachi changed to Manuchi, Enwike changed to Wike, Obiapo changed to Obiopo, Chidima changed to Chibiroma, Ezenwa changed to Izewo, Uwapa changed to Uwepa or Wepa, etc. Meanwhile, from Ilesha Amadi, in his earlier narrative related that, before these repudiations a community called Shiolu had a king known as Eze Diala, and another community had a king called Eze Okehi. All these names were Igbo, not any other nation. The Ikwerre of the present Rivers State were made to underline this point after the collapse of Biafra by the simple process of prefixing a capital A to the names of their towns. In this way, Umukurushi became Rumukurushi, Umuibo became Rumuibo, and so on, in the hope, rather than the belief, that this would make other Nigerians forget they are or ever were Igbo. Did you enjoy our stories? Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to encourage us.